Hello everyone, myself Aparna Gohad presenting types of conversions. In this video, we will see binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal conversion. For this, remember the word DRM means whenever decimal number system is on right side, then multiply with the power of base of the given number system. Now we will see the steps. First is write the given number. Second is multiply from the least significant bit by the value of position considering the base. Continue doing this until you reach to most significant bit. At the end, add the result to get equivalent decimal number. Now, first we will see binary to decimal conversion. For this, remember this table where these are the powers of these are the positive powers of 2 and here these are the negative powers of 2. Now see the example. Here this is a given binary number. We have to convert it into equivalent decimal number. For this, first prepare the table. So here write down the position, weight and face value. So first we will write the face value starting from LSB to MSB. So given number, start writing it from LSB to MSB. So these are the face values. Now write down the position. Now while writing the position, start from LSB. So for LSB, position is 0, then 1, 2 and so on. Now write down the weight. So since this is a binary number, so weight is base is 2. So 2 raised to position, that is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1 and so on. Now once this table is prepared, then what we need to do is multiply face value with its weight, then add the next face value into weight. So like that we have to carry out this procedure for each and every bit. So here is the calculation, and after adding all this, whatever we will get is equivalent decimal number. So for given binary number, this is equivalent decimal number. Now we will see one more example for binary to decimal for decimal point number. Now again we have to prepare the table. So first write face value starting from LSB to MSB. Then write down the position. Now see how to write position. So for before decimal point, write down the position as we did for first example, and for after decimal point, write the positions from -1, -2 and so on. So these are the positions. Then write down the weight. So weight is for LSB, it is 2 raised to -4, 2 raised to -3 and so on. After writing the table completely, now follow the same steps. So multiply face value with its weight and add all these values. So at the end we will get the equivalent decimal number. So for given binary number, this is equivalent decimal number. Now we will see octal to decimal conversion. So this is a table for power of 8. Now see the example. Now this is given octal number. We have to convert it into equivalent decimal number. So as we know, first we have to prepare the table. So write down the face values and write down the positions. Whatever we did it for binary to decimal. Same steps we have to carry out over here. The only the difference is in weight. What we have to remember is, since for octal the base is 8, so while writing weight, use base as 8 and position. So these are the weights. Once the table is completed, then multiply face value with its weight and add all those values. So here is the calculation, and at the end we will get the equivalent decimal number. So for this given octal number, this is equivalent decimal number. Now we will move on to the last conversion, that is hexadecimal to decimal. So again this is a table for power of 16. Then one more thing over here is, in hexadecimal there are total 16 numbers from 0 to 9 and A to F. So here is the table for A to F, and these are the equivalent decimal numbers. Now we will see the example. So this is hexadecimal number. We have to convert it into equivalent decimal number. So again prepare the table. So in the face value, write down the hexadecimal number starting from LSB to MSB. Then write down the positions, and while writing weight, remember the base is 16. So weight is 16 raised to position. So this is how these are the weights. And then we need to carry the same steps, that is multiply face value with its weight. So 7 into 16 raised to 3, 8 into 16 raised to 2, 4 into 16 raised to 1, and C, C means 12. So 12 into 16 raised to 0. Then add all this to get equivalent decimal number. So here is the answer from hexadecimal to decimal. So I hope you have understood this conversion very well. Thank you.